Hello guys, you're welcome back. The news I have for you today says, my greatest fear is marrying the wrong woman. Ultimate Love Chiddy bankz says in a new post. The co-finalist of the just concluded Ultimate Love Season 1, Chiddy bankz, has revealed his greatest fear in life. Chiddy, who took to his Instagram account and shared his thoughts, says, while marriage is an institution where you are given a certificate before getting into it, his greatest fears has been getting married to the wrong woman. Stating his fears, Chiddy displayed the list of posts he has studied for the past 2 years just to equip himself with what he needs to make a right choice and remain happily married. While on the journey to build a beautiful and godly home, Chiddy bankz also recommended few books about marriage for his fans to grab and read in order to shape their marital lives. Recall that Chiddy was a housemate at the just concluded TV reality show called Ultimate Love. In the reality show, he was paired with Sylvia to search for their ultimate love, and they ended up being among the finalists. Although many are worried because Chiddy and Sylvia haven't released any coupled pictures since the end of the love show to reveal they are still together. Reacting to what Chiddy posted regarding his fears of getting married to the wrong woman, an Instagram user known as Ifoma said, "The truth is that marriage has no formula to embark on, but the best thing is for the partners involved to understand each other and communicate more in everything." She also added that the couple involved should try as much as possible to know the likes and dislikes of each other and always abide to it. Okay guys, what's your thoughts on this? Please share your comments in the section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.